Hello everyone. So guys, it's my fourth day of transformation, but right now I'm not in the gym because today is rest day, just because it's Sunday today, and Sunday I don't have to work out. Okay, so I'm taking a rest, being at my home. So guys, if I talk about food, so many people ask me questions about diet. See guys, Monday to Saturday, okay, I always take high protein and low carb. But if I talk about Sunday, if I talk about the rest day, so rest day also I eat in the limit. I cannot go beyond what the requirement is. I have to be in calorie deficit. However, I change some diet on Sunday, like I don't follow the same routine what I follow from Monday till Saturday. Okay, I'll show you that program also, like what I eat Monday till Saturday from morning till night. But if I talk about rest day, so right now if I can show you in the morning what I'm taking. So I am going to take some oats, little oats, though there is so much calorie in oats, so I cannot go for so much oats, so I take little oats. So I'm going to show you guys right now. See guys, as you can see here, okay, this is oats. Actually, I have put milk into this. Okay, it's a sweet oats, and I have not added any sugar. I have added some honey for to make it sweet, and you can see some seasonal fruits, some dry fruits. These are the things I have mixed it, so that I can find some changes in my food. Like from Monday till Saturday I was taking the same kind of diet, so on Sunday it should be little different, and I cannot cross that limit also, means I don't have to go for so much calorie. So keeping all the things in mind, I have made this. It's morning breakfast, and after that I'll show you what I'll eat in lunch and what I'll go for dinner. I'll show you guys. Okay. Hi guys, so it's afternoon, and after taking my breakfast I read Half Girlfriend book, and after that I taught part 18 of Half Girlfriend. After that I edited that, and after that I uploaded that video. Now guys, as you can see that it's afternoon, so definitely I'll go for my lunch. So what lunch I'm going to take, I'm going to show you guys. So let me show you through the back camera. सो गाइज, एज यू कैन सी हेयर, ओके, लेट मी टेल यू कैन सी दिस राइस. बहुत कम राइस है, आपको ज़्यादा लग रहा होगा दिखने में, एक बोल राइस है. सो एक्चुअली दिस इज़ कॉल्ड स्ट्रेन राइस. स्ट्रेन राइस का मतलब है कि इसका जो भी जूस पानी है वो सब निकाला गया है. इन हिंदी इट इज़ कॉल्ड माड़, तो उसका जो माड़ है वो निकाल दिया गया है. सो वाई एम टेकिंग स्ट्रेन राइस, बिकॉज फिर मुझे ज़्यादा कैलोरी नहीं मिलेगी. आई कैन फील दैट ओके माई टमी इज़ फुल, बट आई कैन नॉट गेट सो मच कैलोरी. तो ये फ़र्क हो जाता है स्ट्रेन राइस और वैसे जो आप राइस बनाते हैं कुकर में. तो इसमें सब कुछ, इसका जो स्टार्च वगैरह है सब कुछ हट चुका है. नाउ इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट वेजिटेबल्स, टुडे आई एम टेकिंग दिस चने की सब्जी, एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि ये बिना ऑयल के बना है. इट मीन्स ज़ीरो ऑयल. ओके, एंड व्हेन दिस वेजिटेबल वाज कुक्ड, एंड आफ्टर दैट हाफ स्पून ऑफ गाय का घी वाज पुट इन टू दिस, बिकॉज घी के अंदर आपको पता है कि गुड फैट होता है, तो वो हमारे बॉडी के लिए ठीक है. बट ऑयल फ्री ये वेजिटेबल है जो आप देख रहे हैं. और साथ में बस लिटिल चटनी इज़ देयर, एंड सैलेड में कुछ था नहीं आज, मैं लाऊंगा, तो बस ये कुकम्बर था. सो दिस इज़ ऑल गाइस, थोड़ा सा लेमन है. तो ये दोपहर का फूड है. तो इसमें कुछ खास कैलोरी मैं नहीं लूँगा. हाँ, इसमें कैलोरी है, इसमें ज़्यादा कैलोरी नहीं है, तो यही मैं दोपहर में ले रहा हूँ. हालांकि मंडे टू सैटरडे में ये फूड नहीं लेता हूँ, ये मैं सिर्फ आज संडे ले रहा हूँ. बाकी मेरा फूड का एकदम जो प्लान बना हुआ है उसके अकॉर्डिंग होता है, बट संडे थोड़ा सा मैं चेंज करता हूँ गाइस. ओके फाइन गाइस, सो आई एम गोइंग टू ईट, एंड लेट मी टेल यू दैट आई डोंट यूज स्पून टू ईट. वो ऐसा नहीं कि वीडियो बना रहे हैं तो दिखाने के लिए चम्मच लगा दो कि लोग स्टैंडर्ड समझे. आई एम ईटिंग द वे आई ईट. ओके, ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप चम्मच से खाएंगे तभी आप बहुत अच्छे कहलाएंगे. आप जैसे खाते हैं वैसे खाइए. सो ये हमारा तरीका होता है खाने का. दो इट इज ऑयल फ्री, येट टेस्ट इज गुड एंड गुड फॉर हेल्थ, आई वुड से. ठीक है गाइस, अब उसके बाद फिर जो डिनर है वो मैं लूँगा, और बस एक वीडियो मैं ये बना दूंगा, मतलब एंड कर दूंगा. वाई आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो, क्यों मैं सब कुछ डाल रहा हूँ, बिकॉज whatever I am doing in order to achieve my goal, I just want to record everything. जब मुझे वो गोल मिल जाएगा, फिर कई लोगों के लिए वो एक मोटिवेशन का काम करेगा. अच्छा यार, इस बंदे ने ऐसे ट्रांसफॉर्म किया, अच्छा ये संडे ये खाता था, एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर. इसलिए मैं ये चीजें डाल रहा हूँ गाइस. ठीक है गाइस, मिलते हैं एट द डिनर टाइम. थैंक यू गाइस. हाय गाइस, सो इट्स 8:30 and right now this is my dinner time guys, and after taking my lunch I took a rest for some time, and after that I shot a video for my another channel. And now since it is 8:30 in the evening, so I'm going to take my dinner. And now let me tell you what I'm taking in my dinner. So guys, as you can see what I'm taking in my dinner, the thing is that see, everyone should take less food when you talk about dinner, but here I have seen like people eat a lot at night, and after that, you know, you don't have to do anything, you just go to bed and sleep. So you don't use that energy, you don't burn that energy what you get from your dinner. That's why I have taken only 2 boiled eggs and 1 cube of cottage cheese, which is called paneer in Hindi. So I don't want to take so much calorie. And after this, after taking this dinner, maybe after 1 hour of it, I will take a glass of milk with a little spoon of ghee, just because as I told you guys, like I am on my high protein and low carb diet Monday to Saturday. So if you go on high protein and low carb diet, then definitely you can face constipation problem. So in order to get over this constipation issue, I have to take 1 glass milk along with little ghee. So I'm enjoying my food, and the thing is that I have to stick to my diet. Okay, it is Sunday, I'm taking this, but I have to stick to my diet, whatever I take from Monday to Saturday, in order to achieve that goal guys. Until I get that goal, I don't want to go for so many cheat meals, like maybe on Monday I feel like eating pizza or burger, so I will just go and eat. I can't do that. I will not do that until I get my goal guys. Okay, and after getting that goal, I have to maintain it. So this is the whole mantra, and after that I can go for like cheat meals. Maybe once a week I can go for cheat meal when I achieve my target. Okay, so thank you very much everybody. See you in next episode. See you tomorrow guys. Tomorrow is Monday, and tomorrow I have to go for exercise. I have to go to gym. See you tomorrow guys. Thank you.